What up, what up? Drunken Chef here with another video. This time, I'm making a late night snack. Right now, I'm making the toppings for this late night snack. I have strawberries cooking on the stove and blueberries. All I did was add some sugar to it, a little water, and I put like a half a teaspoon of vanilla in there with just a couple drops of lemon juice. That's all. And thicken up and everything. It's good to go. Just let it sit on the stove, get warmed up. I did let it cool in the refrigerator before putting it on what I was making. You don't want to put it on there hot and just ruin your whole dessert. Now, we're about to make our filling for the dessert. I just got done making the topping, now we're going to make the filling. And this filling is going to include Philadelphia cream cheese, some strawberry yogurt, blueberry yogurt, vanilla, pure vanilla extract, extra creamy Cool Whip, and some sugar. That's all you need for this. It's gonna be another simple and easy dish. Now, right here, I'm just mixing like half of that Philadelphia cream cheese in a bowl. Cause I'm starting off with the blueberry first, so it's gonna be half for the blueberry and half for the strawberry. It's giving me a little bit of a hard time right now. I think I just grabbed the wrong thing to mix it up with. And you're gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla in there. You don't want the vanilla being too strong in there. So that's why you just put a teaspoon. And you're gonna sprinkle some sugar in there. As much as you want. Whatever is sweet enough for you. And just keep whisking it. I mean, this beater is really giving me a hard time. I'm supposed to have it smooth, but you know, like I said, I just grabbed the wrong thing to do this with the first time. Being impatient, not waiting until it's smoothing all the way out. I grabbed my yogurt and I put that in. And I'm gonna mix this together. Any yogurt you want, any yogurt that you like, you go ahead and put that in there. Doesn't matter what flavor, anything, just go ahead and put two yogurts in there. But you know, if you got a big family or whatever, you could do more. It will take more cream cheese too if you do. And probably about a tablespoon of vanilla in there. Then you're going to mix that together. Make sure it's blended well. And again, I'm like struggling right now with this beater. I mean, it's like, yeah. I should have just went on ahead and grabbed the blender, the mixer, the hand mixer. It works better for this. It was last minute thinking, so. But I did wind up switching to it. And after you go ahead and blend it up with this, it's going to come out exactly how you want it. You want it smooth. You want the texture to be smooth. No lumps or anything. So right now I'm just mixing it, making sure it's smoothing all the way out before I add my next ingredient. I mean, it's worked out a lot better with the hand mixer. I had to taste it a little bit to see if it was right, and it wasn't. I had to add some more sugar. Think about like a half a cup, because I put some more in there before I added my other ingredient. So about a half a cup. Then you mix it all up well. This is going to be a snack that you're definitely going to want to try. It was real good. Real good. And it's easy and simple to do. Like I said, you're just going to keep mixing it until it's smooth. That's the texture you want on there. You just want it smooth, blend well and everything, all the ingredients. And then right here is where I said I put just a touch more sugar in it. And I was just going to mix that in myself, like fold it in. And then you put the Cool Whip in there. About half of what is it? Maybe an 8-ounce container. You're going to fold that in. Keep folding it in until it's mixed well. And then as you can see right here, it lightened up a bit. Now, to get that blueberry color back, I added some of my topping to the bowl, to the mix, and I'm going to fold that right on in to get my color back. Now you don't want to add too much of the topping because it will thin in the mix out. And you don't want that. And it's as simple as that. One of the mixes is done. Now I'm going to go on head over to the strawberry and get that on and popping. Now I'm doing the same thing. Got the other half of the Philadelphia cream cheese in there. I'm adding sugar to it and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now see that I'm using a hand mixer. It's pretty much blending well now. There's no hassle here. So I suggest whoever's gonna try this to just start off with the hand mixer from the start. Cause that other way, nah. No, it's not the way to go at all. Now I'm finna go ahead and add my strawberry yogurt. Again, you could put whatever yogurt you want to put in here. Whichever one you like. I wanted strawberry, so I went with strawberry and blueberry. Whichever yogurt you add to it, it's still going to be delicious. Then it's going to be the same amount of sugar. Then you're going to blend that well. Make sure everything blend up. Everything is mixed well. Yeah, I really should have just used the hand mixer from the start. I mean, it makes it just right after that. I need a touch more sugar because it wasn't sweet enough. Just mixing that in. You're just repeating the same steps that you did with the blueberry mix. You're just going to do it with your other yogurt that you plan on going with. And if you don't want to do two different ones, you can just do one. It doesn't matter. Then after mixing everything together and making sure it's combined well, you're going to add in the rest of your Cool Whip. Now I put half of the Cool Whip in here, and I put half of the Cool Whip in the blueberry. And you're just folding it in. That's all you're doing is folding it in. And again, as you can see, it got lighter. So I'm getting my strawberry mix, and I'm finna fold that into the bowl too. You get the strawberry color back. And we got that strawberry color back. That's how you want it to look. Putting that Cool Whip in there, it'll take away the color you're looking for. Now, I kind of messed up with the topping. I put a little too much strawberries in it because you can see it's kind of too thin. So I didn't show it on here, but I did put just a little more extra creamy Cool Whip in there to thicken it up. You don't want it this thin. You want it like the blueberry one being, as thick as that one was. Then you're going to get these little cake cups. Put a little of your topping on the inside. And then put your mix on top of there. And then you're going to put just a little bit of the topping on top of your mix. It's just a simple and easy late night snack. Nothing hard about it. If you got a sweet tooth, this right here, it definitely do the job. It's very good. I mean, it just came to me out the blue to make something like this. And on top of that, like, it tastes like blueberry and strawberry cheesecake. And if you don't want to use those cakes, you could do a pound cake. Cut a couple of those slices, put it on the plate, and put your toppings and your mix together, and it'll be the same. And here we have it. A late night snack. Very tasty late night snack. My favorite is the blueberry. And there you have it, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. I'm out.